Winner now allows a user to send half of a file to a scopist with text, steno, and audio. So, in order to do that, what we're going to do is you're going to place your cursor at the beginning of the portion that you want to send to a scopist. Now I'm just going to do a little piece here, just so you get the gist of this. You're going to use your F4 key to highlight. So I'm going to do Shift, after I hit F4, I'm going to do Shift down arrow to highlight this, and then I'm going to hit F for file. At this point I'm going to give it a name. Now what I would suggest to you is you not use the exact same name as the file that you are working in, but keep it similar, just change it up a little bit. So mine's called demo sample 2017, and I'm going to make this C, and I'm going to say save. Now what I'm going to do at this point, you're looking at it here, and I'm just going to tab that in where it's supposed to be. This is the part that I am now going to send to my scopist. You may want to save this file using Archive Wizard just to make sure you have a backup of it. Now I'm going to come out of here, and let's pretend now that I'm about to get the file back from my scopist. So I'm going to go to my editor. I'm going to select my original file, and at this point what you're going to do is go up to Tools. You're going to go clear down to the bottom to Import Excerpt, and you are now going to find the name of the file that you want to bring in. So I'm going to double click it, and what you're seeing here now is a portion of the previous file and a portion of the same section. Okay, so what you want to do now is you can move the borders using your arrow keys in case you need to make any changes to the formatting coming from your scopus to you. So the arrows at the bottom and top you're going to use to extend the border areas to merge. This is the ones for the original transcript, okay, and this is the excerpt for the top and then or from the bottom, and that's all there is to it.